Samsung's next Ultra phone may arrive with a bold new identity, shifting focus towards style, mood, and refined visual presence. According to Ice Universe, new leaks have revealed the 4 basic color options for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the naming direction is clearly changing. The reported colors are Black Shadow, White Shadow, Galactical Blue, and Ultraviolet. These names feel more atmospheric and design-focused compared to previous generations. Instead of highlighting materials, Samsung appears to be leaning into mood, depth, and visual identity. The biggest detail is what is missing. None of the colors include the titanium branding that played a major role with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That shift could mean several things. Samsung may still use titanium, but no longer sees it as a marketing hook. It could also suggest a change in materials or a desire to simplify the message around the phone. Black Shadow and White Shadow sound subtle and refined, likely offering soft finishes that react differently under light. Galactical Blue suggests a deep, space-inspired tone rather than a bright or playful blue. Ultraviolet hints at a bold but premium purple that stands out without feeling flashy. If this leak is accurate, Samsung is clearly refining its branding approach for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Less focus on technical labels, more focus on emotion, style, and how the phone visually connects with users. Ice Universe's leak points to a quieter but more confident design direction overall. Samsung just threw another curveball, and if you thought the Galaxy S26 story was already confusing, this twist makes it even juicier. After months of guessing when Samsung would finally lift the curtain, it now looks like the Galaxy S26 series might make its grand debut and then leave fans waiting. The latest buzz suggests the phones will be revealed at a Galaxy Unpacked event in February, but you may not actually be able to buy them until March. That gap could be tiny, or it could stretch close to a full month, and that uncertainty alone is enough to make anyone restless. This already feels later than usual. The Galaxy S25 lineup showed up back in January 2025, so a delay was expected for the 2026 models. Behind the scenes, Samsung is rumored to have shaken things up by dropping the Galaxy S26 Edge and bringing back the Galaxy S26 Plus, a move that may have slowed everything down. Adding to the drama, there has apparently been internal debate about what these phones should even be called. At one point, whispers of a Pro model started floating around, but for now, it looks like Samsung is sticking with the familiar naming we already know. What makes this more interesting is that we have heard a different version of this story before. Earlier rumors pointed to a January announcement with February availability. If the new timeline is accurate, Samsung's schedule may have slipped again, hinting at a slightly chaotic planning year. Normally, Samsung is quick to move from announcement to availability. Take the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which only had a short wait between its reveal and store shelves, with pre-orders opening in between. This time, though, all signs point to a longer pause, possibly reflecting indecision around models like the Galaxy S25 Edge, which never really caught on with buyers. As for upgrades, the pattern seems familiar. The biggest changes are once again expected to land on the Ultra model. Think a bigger battery, a stronger camera setup, and the usual year-on-year performance boost. The Galaxy S26 series might be arriving late, but Samsung is clearly betting that the top-tier model will still steal the spotlight. A fresh wave of Galaxy S26 hype is rolling in.